Hello viewers, everyone is talking about these skinny jabs from Wegovy to Mounjaro, but do they really work and are they safe? Weight loss injections are powerful tools, but they are not the magic. Today, let's unpack the science, safety, and what you must know before trying them. What are the weight loss injections? We have Saxenda, which is liraglutide. It's a daily GLP-1 analog injection. Then we have Wegovy or semaglutide, a weekly GLP-1 injection. Mounjaro or tirzepatide, this is a dual GIP and GLP-1 injections. Then we also have Aqualix. It's a cosmetic fat dissolving agent. So why are celebrities using these drugs? They mimic natural gut hormones that make you feel full, but without healthy eating and movement, benefits fade very fast. How do these work in your body? These hormones, they slow digestion, signal fullness to your brain, and stabilize blood sugar. That's why they help both weight loss and diabetes control. And safety matters. They are safe when prescribed properly, but they are not for everyone. We have side effects like nausea or reflux. These are common early on. So unregulated imports or DIY jabs are dangerous. Absolutely yes. Only licensed UK pharmacists and trained clinicians should attend to your welfare needs. We have seen counterfeit pens seized by the MHRA. So who qualifies for these jabs under the NICE criteria? Those with a BMI of 35 or above, with a health risk such as a risk to high blood pressure or high cholesterol. Also those with a BMI of 30 or above with diabetes or pre-diabetes. But remember, we must combine diet with exercise. So it is not a beauty jab. This is medical treatment. The goal is to reduce heart attacks, strokes, and diabetes risks. Let's look at the cost. The NHS versus private costs. Privately, treatment can range from £150 to 300 quid a month. On the NHS, only those who meet the NICE guidelines we just discussed, but availability is scarce, although reported to be expanding. Lifestyle still matters. If you don't fix your habits, the weight retains. Food, your choice of food is important. Sleep, get the right amount of sleep, keep on moving, and you must also have a positive mindset. That is really the foundation to everything. You must have a positive mindset to your desired outcome. What about Aqualix, the fat dissolving jab? It's for small, stubborn, fatty areas, and it's for cosmetic, not medical or metabolic reasons. Safety depends 100% on who injects it. My advice to you as a doctor is that you should always disclose your full medical history, choose a reputable provider, and remember the best injection is the one you combine with your own efforts. If this conversation helped you understand weight loss injections better, smash the like button, subscribe. It's free for you guys, but the greatest motivation for us to keep on creating healthcare content that changes lives. Thank you very much.